My name's Maureen and I live in Bexley. Well, I was looking for something that was a little bit traditional. I didn't want the streamlined modern look because the house is an older house and we wanted to keep the existing ceiling, so I wanted something in between, the sort of more a traditional kitchen. Yes, he did a great job. I was really happy with Barry's services. He designed 3 designs for this kitchen, and I chose straight away. I went to one, and anything that I didn't like, Barry he didn't push me. I sort of insisted on a few things, but I got my own way, which was great, and he listened to us. Yes, so I was very happy. Barry's very friendly. He likes a little bit of a chat, and when he said he'd get back to you or email you or anything like that, always happened. He was very good at what he did. Yeah. He was very organised. As I said to you, if he said to you, I'm going to email you the quote tonight, it was always there. Anything that he said he would do was done. He was very efficient. Yes, I would recommend Barry. Yes, his service was fantastic and spot on with us. We were very happy with everything he did.